But I wanted you to see that fantastic rainbow. So, now we are finished. Alright, I brought us back here to look at this. I called it a light, but I'm going to start calling it a creature. Because there's nothing in a light that would look like this. And this right here has got me curious. There's no reason that should be there. That's something other than light, for sure. And it's moving with everything, so to me, that's definitely an eye-opener. But anyways, I brought you here because I want you to hear something. I was just listening to it, and I hadn't known about it, so I'm going to play it for you. Check it out.
Let's talk about Jared Kushner's meeting with King Abdullah. Let's talk about that in just a moment. I'm going to talk about some other stuff too. They got some. Oh, by the way, I just got to throw this in.
There we go.
Google AI says they can now predict your death. There's a Google AI that says it can predict your death, and it is 95% accurate. What? Google is not God. Although, are they getting ready to make a Google AI and call him God? Is that how the mark of the beast, the image to the beast, is that what it's going to be? An AI image that can speak and cause as many as don't worship the beast be thrown into a FEMA camp or put to death? What is this AI godlike complex? Well, let me tell you what they mean by this. It's a new software that Google has developed that says it can predict your death, when you will die, with a 95% accuracy. The tech giant of Google has developed a data-hungry computer system that hovers over your health information and spits out details about your mortality. According to reports, this tech giant helped test an artificial intelligence, an AI, computer system that can predict whether hospital patients will pass away in the first 24 hours after they're admitted to the hospital. And they can predict it right in 95% of the cases. Now, what's more staggering is that these trials, putting this accuracy at 95%, is an incredible predictive ability. It works by chewing up all the data of the patient, their age, their ethnicity, their gender, all of their vital information that's joined up with the hospital information, like prior diagnoses, current vital signs, lab results, and it makes a accurate prediction if the person is going to die or live in the first 24 hours of your admission to the hospital. The AI was developed by a team of researchers from Stanford University and also the University of Chicago and the University of San Francisco. Google then took this AI system and taught it using de-identified data of 216,221 adults from 2 U.S. medical centers. This meant the AI had more than 46 billion data points to hover over. Think about this. Over time, the AI was able to associate certain words with an outcome of life or death and understand how likely or unlikely someone was going to die. What's particularly incredible about this, folks, is Google's system is that researchers can throw almost any type of data at it. And Stanford professor Nigam Shah told Bloomberg that 80% of the development time spent on predictive models goes on making the data look presentable for the AI. But Google's system can chew up anything and make predictions based on it due to its powerful machine learning capabilities. Instinctively, Google AI doesn't just predict whether you'll live or die, it can also guess at the length of time the patient will stay in the hospital and their chances of being readmitted again. So exactly how accurate is AI? 95%. Based on the total analyzation of the data of each individual patient and the statistical historical data of all of the patients that it had.
All right, that's good enough. I just wanted you to hear that. It's remarkable. So my question is on this: if it says, "Oh, this person's going to die in probably 8 hours," well, if they're not going to live anyways, are they going to take them off life support and say we're not wasting any more time on them, and we could flip this bed and get insurance from someone else? And would it also stop them? I mean, there's so many questions on this. So many questions on this. I can see it working against, humankind. Big time. This is not good. Not at all. Another way to depopulate, I guess, is what I'm getting at. But here's the funny thing. AI doesn't know about miracles, I guess. Because the dead have woken back up. AI can't predict everything. That's that. Miracles exist. All right, on to the next.